Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a offline PDF editor and renderer in browser using FabricJS jsPDF library in HTML and JavaScript. This is the actual overall structure of the application, and the link is given. You can directly purchase it. So after you purchase it, you will be redirected to this Google Drive automatically, where you can actually download the source code. So it's entirely built in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So this is actually the interface of the application. So here you simply select whatever PDF file you need to edit. After that, the PDF will load right here. You will see that, and then you have all the controls out there. This is your pencil icon. You can adjust the brush size. You can highlight anything, and then you also have ability to add different shapes, different arrows. Obviously, you can change the color as well, very simply. And also we have the option for adding images as well. So the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase it. After that, you will be redirected to Google Drive. And then using the select icon, you can adjust the size of the image, just place it accordingly. So the thing about this editor, it directly runs in the browser. It doesn't require any internet. It just executes offline. So all the processing is directly happening in the browser. And after you make the changes, you click the save button, and all the changes will be reflected in the output PDF file. So right here, this is, you can actually edit your PDFs directly in the browser. And check the full description link. I have also given the demo link. So before purchasing it, you can also check the demo here, right here. So just go to the description link and again repeat the process. So if you like this PDF editor offline tool, the link is given in the description. You can try out. The link is given in the description, and then you can purchase it. So we also have ability, just click wherever you need to add the text. You can also delete anything by clicking the delete button. So this will delete